If your honeysuckle's new leaves are curling, turning brown or black, and dropping off, that's not normal dieback. That's leaf blight. The good news is it's a fungal disease, and there's a straightforward way to treat it. Honeysuckle leaf blight is a fungal disease. It targets the newest growth, the young leaves that come out in spring just as the buds are opening. It can look serious, especially when a lot of leaves go at once. But it doesn't have to mean losing the plant. In this video, we'll go through how to identify it clearly and the exact treatment that works. Here's what to look for. Leaf blight attacks the newest leaves, the ones that have just emerged from the buds in spring. Those young leaves curl severely and start turning brown or black. Then they drop off before they've had a chance to fully open. That premature leaf drop is the clearest sign. The key detail is the timing. This happens right at bud swell, the very start of the growing season. If you're seeing brown, curling leaves in midsummer, something else is likely going on. Blight is a spring problem that targets new growth. While you're out there looking, check the stems too. If you see swollen, discolored areas on the stems, sometimes cracked open or leaking a sticky, gummy substance, those are cankers, which is a separate fungal or bacterial problem on the wood itself. Cankers often get in through wounds on the plant. If you spot them, prune those stems back several inches below the damage and disinfect your pruning tool with alcohol between cuts. Both blight and cankers can appear at the same time, so it's worth checking. Once you've confirmed it's blight, here's what to do. First, remove the infected parts. Any leaves that have curled, browned, or already dropped, take them off the plant and throw them away. Don't compost them. You want to remove as many fungal spores from the area as possible. Second, spray with a copper-based fungicide. The timing here matters a lot. You want to start spraying from when the buds first begin to swell, right at the start of spring growth, and continue spraying every 7 to 10 days until just before the flowers open. That window is when the plant is most vulnerable to blight. If you miss that early window and blight has already taken hold, still remove the infected growth and spray. It won't undo the damage already done, but it will protect the healthy new growth still coming in. One more thing on the cankers, if you found any. After pruning infected stems, spray the remaining foliage with Bordeaux mixture, that's a copper sulfate and lime blend, and collect all fallen plant debris from around the base. Leaving it on the ground gives the disease organisms somewhere to overwinter and come back next spring. The single biggest thing you can do for honeysuckle leaf blight is start early. Once the buds begin to swell in spring, that's your window. Miss it, and you're managing damage instead of preventing it. Mark it on your calendar this year, and next spring you'll be ahead of it. If you want the full detail on honeysuckle problems, it's all on Yardener.com. Search for honeysuckle, and you'll find everything you need.